Today's yoga is especially for those who are doing some strength training. We are focusing on our hip area, opening our hips during this practice. This practice is designed to be done without any equipment. You don't need blocks or similar. If you want, you can have them there near you in case there is some asana which is easier for you to do with a block. And also be sure to read the description of this video. You'll find useful information from there. And we are starting from downward facing dog. So place your palms and your feet onto the ground. Keep your quads engaged and try to lengthen your spine by pushing the floor away. Lift up your right leg and step that in between your hands. We are coming to kind of like low lunge, so you can here move a little bit forward and back, just doing something to warm up our hips and then our pelvic area. Then you can stop the movement, place your left knee on the ground and start opening your right hand toward the ceiling, or if you want you can bring it behind your back onto the left side. And breathe here deeply and exhale completely and enjoy the sensations of this asana. This is also especially good if you are sitting a lot during the day. Then place your hand back onto the mat and bring your toes under for your left leg and lift up your right leg again. We bring the right knee behind the right wrist and the foot behind the left wrist. Left leg is straight and long. And just breathe here for one breath and come to your forward fold over your right leg. So we are again stretching the right side. Breathing in deeply and fully. Exhaling completely. Just this is your moment to relax a bit and feel the sensations of this pose. So this also might be a pose where you might want to use the block if you have that near you. Just continue breathing. Then slowly start to lift yourself up and come to your seated position. We are keeping the right leg bended and we are keeping the left leg straight, sitting on both of our sitting bones. Breathe in, bring your arms over your head and come over your left leg. So we are stretching our right side, so you can have your left hand on your left leg. Hands behind your head, you can rest your head on your left palm. Breathing in and breathing out. Slowly preparing to lift yourself up, bringing your palms onto your mat and lifting yourself back to down dog. And just breathing one breath here. Then lifting your left leg up and step it in between your hands. We were coming to that low lunge version. And you can bring movement back and forth. Just feel how it feels to wake up your hips. And then you can stop the movement and slowly lower your right knee. Lift up your left hand and bring it behind your back. Or optionally, you can have your left hand pointing toward the ceiling. So we are opening our chest a bit. Breathing in fully and deeply. And from here, place your left hand back onto your mat and lift up your left leg. And we are coming to the swan. So bring your left knee behind your left wrist and foot behind the right wrist. Right leg remains straight. Breathing in here, one breath, and coming to forward fold over your left leg. Breathing in fully and deeply. Just feeling the sensations of the body while you are here. Letting your breath bring new energy into your body, letting every exhalation to release any tension from your body. You can slowly start to lift yourself up and come to seated position. Left leg remains bended and right leg is straight. And sit on your both sitting bones, bringing your arms over your head on your inhalation, and when you exhale, come to your side bend over your right leg. So your left side is stretching, this nice big stretch. Again, you can have supported by your right palm. So be sure that you are here sideways. So you are bringing your right side onto your right leg. Few more breaths. Slowly, you can prepare yourself, releasing from the pose, and come in your seated position, and then come lie down with your knees bended. We are coming to spinal twists. So when you lie your back on your back, bring your knees onto your belly and then turn your legs onto your left. Left hand can support your right foot, make it more strong. Be sure that both of your shoulder blades are on the mat. And you can also turn your head to the opposite direction from your feet. We are slowly releasing, bringing our legs back to center. Lift them up, lift your knees up, and bring your legs onto your right. Right hand can be placed on your left quad, over your knee, and you can have your left hand on your shoulder level, making sure that both of your shoulder blades are firmly on your mat. Breathing in fully and deeply, and relaxing with every one of your exhalations. You can slowly start to release, bringing your legs back to center. We are lifting our legs up to Viparita Karani. So you don't need any equipment, as said in the beginning of this practice. So lift up your legs, and if you want, you can also lift up your arms and have that feeling that your legs and your arms are just floating in the air, and everything from your feet and from your palms is kind of like floating down on your body toward the mat. Slowly releasing from there, and we are ready for Savasana. So come and lie on your back, let your feet open outward, bring your hands on the side of your body, palms up, and just breathe and relax now. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere to go. Just breathe and relax for this short while. Let the practice melt away from your body. Let your mind relax. today goes like this. It's not the poses that keep me coming back to my mat, it's the inner peace. You can slowly start to wake yourself up, bring a little bit of movement into your toes and your fingers, stretching yourself long, bringing your arms over your head, then bending your knees, hucking them in if you feel like, and then onto your side, just pausing there for a short while, feeling how you feel today. Then lifting yourself up to seated, finding a comfortable seated position, keeping back straight and long, chest open, feeling gratitude toward the practice that you did, and taking this moment for your well-being today. I want to thank you for sharing this moment with me today. Bring your palms onto your heart center and lift your thumbs in between your brows. Make a little bow to say thank you. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste. And we see each other again next time. And remember, if you haven't already, to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye now.